The world seemed to open up again this August, and you would think it meant some people might not want to be indoors, spending time on DIY projects, but many of you still have plenty to do before the weather changes for autumn and winter. The posts we shared this month demonstrated the variety of homes where our skirting finds its place, adding a finishing touch to our customers' visions. Thanks again to everyone who has allowed us to reshare their creations on our Instagram account, and for those who collaborated on posts for the first time. We love returning to see how our customers' homes progress, and this is another fantastic space from @HouseHRE19. The biggest standout here are the contrasts that have been created, opening out the room and making it more spacious. The walls and ceiling have been painted lighter colors, whilst the weathered look of the flooring combines to make you feel that perhaps you're outside. The dark furniture then become features in this landscape, on a backdrop of wide open skies. I'm sure this will be much appreciated as the nights start to draw in. Thanks to Tom and Erin, also known as @Maximalism at number 61, for including us in this wonderful post that shows off their new Georgian skirting board. With plans to paint all their skirting board the same color as their walls, as in this photo, we also get to see how the pre-primed skirting they ordered from us looks, before they start the job. Having recently moved into their 1950s home, they've wasted no time in bringing their maximalist vision to life. They're just at the beginning of their journey, so there's plenty more to come from them, but already you can see where they've decided to go back to the original floorboards. We're fans of creative uses of skirting, and being adventurous when painting them. We can't wait to see the unveiling, once they complete the task of painting the skirtings to match their walls. The combination of character and style from @TheJourney9 has rejuvenated this home, and is the reason we love this look. The Powells took a tired-looking 1970s home and brought it to life. This photo especially works on so many lines of perspective. Every post on their account shows how they've turned this into a wonderful family home, brimming with energy, tailored to their excellent taste, and with all the hallmarks of somewhere they already feel is their forever home. Obviously, it didn't appear this way overnight, and, for nearly a year, they've stripped everything back and built it up again. One of the joys of connecting with our customers is seeing this all happen week by week, room by room, and understanding what is behind each fantastic picture when finished. The modern twist on this classic look from @Bramble and Bricks is a real treat, and accentuates the ceiling height superbly. Terrace houses always need thought put into them to make the most of the limited width. Often this means opening out rooms, but also the generous ceiling heights, especially in Victorian terraces, are an opportunity to create an illusion of more space. Here, Anna has taken the classic picture rail interior of Victorian times, and used paint to the same effect. This emphasizes the extra headroom, and in tandem with the use of a large mirror, can fool the mind into thinking you're in a bigger room. A judicious choice of furniture and storage can also prevent the room from shrinking, due to too much clutter. Also, I can't pass up an opportunity to feature a wood burner. A different perspective on this lounge shows off more fantastic features. Featured way back in our first Best of Instagram roundup, at the tail of Elms Vale's lounge looked gorgeous, and recently I noticed these pics of the other side of the room, with these fantastic doorways. We mostly talk about skirting because that's what gets featured in posts, so when we see that someone is showing off their doorways, I jump all over it. You know how we feel here about what @Lombard Lodge is doing with his home, but this is another great example of what we mean about framing a doorway when talking about architrave. Our detailed or period profiles are the best suited for this grandeur effect, and, if you have the room, the large profile versions almost make your home seem like a palace. Away from the hype though, it's the roominess and the extra detailing on the walls, along with the coving, that pull this whole look together, and make us love this home all over again. There won't be a post next month, as we adjust our schedule to a quarterly basis, so we'll be back later this year, to look back at the best posts during September, October and November. So if you're doing something unique, or are just at the start of your journey, we'll be happy to post your account and invite others to share the ups and downs with you. Just DM us with your details. If you have something you want us to see on Instagram, just tag @skirtingsareus in your photo and put #SRUHome in the comments or description if you're okay with us sharing it on our account. Thank you for watching.